Hello everyone, I just received these boxes from Amazon and let's see what inside of it. Look at these small solar LED lights, and I'll show you where I'm gonna put it and how it's look like after I get done. Alright, each one it came with its own pattern, so it's really easy to install. A couple of screws, not all the way, just leave a gap so you can hook your LED back to it. This is the activation switch. Once you press it, it will start charging and it will turn on at night time. So I'm gonna put it on my fence and we will see how it's look like at the end. So each light comes with one bag. Each bag has 2 screws, 2 anchors, and 2 double-side tape. So it's either you put the screws directly on a wood. If you have a bricks, you can drill it through and put the anchor. And if you have very smooth surface, you can do the double-side tape. In my case, I'm gonna use it directly on my fins, so I'm gonna use just these 2 screws, put on the pattern, and we should be good to go. So I just start with the first screw. Okay, make sure it's kind of aligned, and I'm gonna put the second one here. So here I tied it up. I left about like 1/8 of inch gap, and I'm gonna try my light now to see if it's snugly fit. See, now it's a little bit loose. I can put a couple of turns on it, and once I'm done, I'm gonna activate it from here. Okay, by pressing it and hang it. I can leave the pattern and to use it or to keep it aside in case if I want to change the location later on. I will show you the result when it's dark. Alright, and this is how it's look like after I get it done. It's added some decoration to my backyard. I like the way how it's look like, and I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching.